Hello everyone. In this video I will share 5 secret Excel shortcuts that will save you time and make your work easier. Here's the first shortcut. Press Ctrl plus space to select the entire column instantly. Now the second shortcut. Press Shift plus space to select the entire row quickly. Here's the third shortcut. Press Ctrl plus semicolon to insert today's date in a cell without typing. Now the fourth shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon to insert the current time. And finally the fifth shortcut. Press F4 to repeat your last action. For example, if you applied bold once, press F4 to apply it again. These 5 secret Excel shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Try them out and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.